once again and celebrate the truth. New life, our Messiah, the first fruits. But guess what? That means we're in there too, if you believe, if we have that trust in Him. Chai Hashem.
My soul makes its boast in Him. The Lord lives, High Hashem. Exalted is my God. The Lord lives, High Hashem. In my need I called on Him. The Lord lives, High Hashem. And He answered me. The Lord lives, High Hashem. There is none besides Him. The Lord lives, High Hashem. Holy is my God. The Lord lives, High Hashem. I put all my trust in Him. The Lord lives, High Hashem. Faithful is my God. High Hashem, uveruk sori, Adonai titelel nafshi. High Hashem, uveruk sori, ve'erum Elohei ishi. High Hashem, uveruk sori, Adonai titelel nafshi. High Hashem, uveruk sori, ve'erum Elohei ishi. The Lord lives, High Hashem. Let us sing our praise to Him. The Lord lives, High Hashem. Worthy is our God. The Lord lives, High Hashem. Our salvation comes from Him. The Lord lives, High Hashem. Gracious is our God. High Hashem, moving looks sorry. Adonai titelel nafshi. High Hashem, uveruk sori, ve'erum Elohei ishi. High Hashem, uveruk sori, Adonai titelel nafshi. High Hashem, uveruk sori, ve'erum Elohei ishi. Ve'erum Elohei ishi. Ve'erum Elohei.
All right, Chai Hashem, Chai Yeshua, Yeshua Chai. Say that, Yeshua Chai. Yeshua lives, amen. And Matthew chapter 28 will be the New Covenant reading. Matthew 28. And we're going to reflect a little bit on the actual historical account of the resurrection of Yeshua. Matthew 28, verse 1. And if you're following, well, you guys know the blessings by heart. You can respond appropriately.
Baruch hu et Adonai hamvorach. Baruch Adonai hamvorach leolam va'ed. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam asher bachar banu mikol ha'amim v'natan lanu et torato. Baruch atah Adonai noten haTorah. Amen. Bless the Lord who is blessed. Blessed be the Lord who is blessed forever and ever. Blessed are you, Lord our God, ruler of the universe, who has chosen us from all peoples and gave to us the Torah. Blessed are you, Lord, giver of the Torah. Amen.
Matthew 28 for us is Torah. Torah mean instruction, so we can apply it accordingly. And so if you're following along, Matthew 28, verse 1 through 10. Matthew 28, 1 through 10, and just let the historical account, Jewish eyewitnesses, sink in this evening.
Now after the Shabbat, as it began to dawn, toward the first day of the week, Mary Magdalene and the other Mary came to look at the grave. And behold, a severe earthquake had occurred, for an angel of the Lord descended from heaven, and came and rolled away the stone, and sat upon it. And his appearance was like lightning, and his clothing as white as snow. The guards shook for fear of him, and became like dead men. The angel said to the women, "Do not be afraid, for I know that you are looking for Yeshua, who has been crucified. He is not here, for he has risen. Just as he said, come, see the place where he was lying. Go quickly and tell his Talmidim that he has risen from the dead. And behold, he is going ahead of you into the Galilee. There you will see him. Behold, I have told you." And they left the tomb quickly with fear and great joy, and ran to report it to his Talmidim. And behold, Yeshua met them and greeted them, and they came up and took hold of his feet and worshipped him. Then Yeshua said to them, "Do not be afraid. Go and take word to my brethren to leave for the Galilee, and there they will see me." Amen.
Beautiful. Speaks for itself. And what so much, of course, the Christian world celebrates, almost forgotten. There are Jews that believe this too, the Messianic Jews. And there is a Jewish way to understand the story. I mean, the story is the story. It's just kind of like, what glasses do you have on? Is it, from Rome? Is it from Scandinavia? Is it from Jerusalem? So tonight we want to celebrate and understand this resurrected Mashiach in that Jewish context. So Baruch Hashem. Closing blessing of the Torah.
Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam asher natan lanu Torat emet v'chayei olam nata betochenu. Baruch atah Adonai noten haTorah. Amen. Blessed are you, Lord our God, ruler of the universe, who gave us the Torah of truth and life everlasting planted in our midst. Blessed are you, Lord, giver of the Torah. Amen.
And a meditative song before we get into the Word a little bit more. Let's stand together again, if you will, and contemplate the one who is risen, conquered death because he owns the whole universe. Let's sing it out to him.
Who sit in
can know the secrets hidden in your heart. Mysteries beyond the reach of man. No one else commands the sun to rise and then to fall. All creation needs the great I am. Most High God, holy is your name. Most High God, holy is your name. Elohim El Shaddai, Yeshua Adonai. Let the glory of your name be magnified, Lord Most High. Most High God, holy is your name. Elyon, Most High God, holy is your name. Most High God, holy is your name. Most High God, holy is your name.
Bikkurim, the death of death. I think that pretty well says it.